Hi Econ students, this video is an important one. It's going to help you know how to navigate your course. When you log in to the Dear Valley Online Learning Program Econ course from your home page, this is going to be what you see. Right here are some important tabs. The first part of this page really is a little bit about myself and your list of assignments for the whole semester. My recommendation is not to go off that list. My recommendation is to use the modules over here to go through your assignments. However, let's get to that in just a minute. So on this home page, you'll see here course description and policies. Take some time to look through that. On this page, you will find the policies related to turning in late work, if that ends up being a situation you find yourself in. Policies about how many points things are worth and what the course requirements are. The next tab is about Open Lab and tutoring. I'm not a full-time online teacher. I am a full-time Boulder Creek teacher, but I am teaching this course along with Mrs. Linda Meyer, who is a full-time online economics teacher, and Mr. Dugan, who is also a full-time online social studies teacher. They are at these lab hours and can help students that need additional help. I will be at these lab hours 3 or 4 times throughout the semester, and I will let you know when that is. But you're always welcome to pop in there and see if Mr. Dugan or Mrs. Lindemeyer can give you some help. Finals information is in this tab. You have to take an in-person final December 3rd, 4th, or 5th. One of those days required. But this is the most important tab. So to be successful and to earn your credit and to get a good grade in this class, you want to follow this page. This due dates calendar, I suggest you download it, print it, or take a picture of it and leave it on your device, because this tells you when things are due. Most assignments are due on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and we require you to upload PDF as my preferred file, or a doc, not a link. Sometimes you'll have an opportunity to have videos as your files, but take a look at that due dates. The last thing I'll tell you today for navigating the course is your grades are always available by clicking on this tab, but the modules. So if you are working, let's say you're online for an hour and you're working through some assignments, and then you walk away and you come back tomorrow, you want to go to the modules and pick up where you left off. So the first module is the course introduction, and you can see you have several things that need your attention on the 27th. The second module is Introduction to the Foundations of Economics, and the due dates all show here. So you simply open the item and do whatever it's requiring. This one is the instructions, so there's a link to your textbook, the guided reading, some videos. This one happens to be from Mrs. Lindemeyer. Anytime you see a video from Mrs. Lindemeyer, it's the same content that we're learning in this class. So don't get thrown off by that. And then you can navigate to the next page here with this next button. So some pages, I'm going to go back to the modules. Some pages in the modules look like a piece of paper. That means there's important instructional information there, the learning, right? And then some pages look like a paper and pencil. That means there's an assignment that you need to do. And some activities are a discussion board. Well, the last one is this little rocket, and that's a quiz. So you really just want to progress in order of each of the things in the module. So that's kind of a summary. What I would suggest you do right now is to look around in each of these tabs, take some time to look at the due dates and examine the modules, and then go ahead and post your orientation assignments, your screenshots that are required, and the discussion board. And I look forward to getting to know you all. See you soon.